I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to start backing up important files now. First, sign into your Google account and make sure two-step verification is enabled for security. Once done, install Google Drive for desktop on Windows or Mac, or open Drive. Google, Com in your browser if you prefer web-only. Next, choose which folders to protect, pick desktop, documents, and any project folders. This step ensures you capture the right sources. It's faster to start with priorities rather than everything at once. Now configure how files move. Choose backup of local folders if you want continuous copies, or mirror my drive to sync both ways. Make sure to set upload size limits and exclude large file types you don't need, and adjust bandwidth so uploads don't hog your network. Once configured, check storage usage in Google Drive and upgrade the plan if you're close to capacity. This avoids stalled backups. These settings control reliability and cost, so fine-tune them to match your workflow. Finish by verifying that backup's completed. Open Drive, preview a few recent files, and confirm timestamps match your originals. Once verified, use the activity panel and app notifications to monitor ongoing uploads and see any failures. If something goes wrong, pause syncing, restart the Drive app, and clear its cache before retrying. Make sure you have a stable connection and enough storage. Doing this keeps your backup reliable and restores confidence that your files are safe and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.